friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Creativity. Wishing you all a very happy new year, and let's begin this year with a new series using Arduino. So in this video we are going to make a color mixing lamp using potentiometer. These are the materials required for this project. First, attach the 220 ohms resistor to the breadboard. Now connect one of these wires to anode and besides the resistor. Connect the other two resistors. Now connect the 4 legs cathode RGB LED to the breadboard. Make sure that the longer pin of the LED is connected to the anode wire. Now connect the base of the resistors to the digital pin of the Arduino. I have connected each of the base of the resistors to the digital pin 13, 12 and 11. Now we'll attach the potentiometer to the breadboard. In the potentiometer, we will use the yellow wires to connect them to the Arduino analog pins, while we will use the blue and green pins to connect them to the cathode and anode wires respectively. We will be connecting this pin to the analog pin 0 in the Arduino. Now we will attach the potentiometer. Now we will be connecting the other two potentiometers in the same way but with a distance of 4 pins to each other. Now we have to attach the anode and cathode wires to the breadboard. Now the circuit is complete. So now our Arduino project with code is ready. Now all I have to do is connect this battery to the Arduino project. Connecting, our Arduino will turn on and the LED will be turned off as our potentiometers are all at 0. Now if I move this potentiometer, the green LED will turn on. Similarly, this will turn on the blue LED and this will do the red. With this setup, you can create as many colors as you want.